If you are an artist and you feel nervous, stiff, awkward, or unsure every time you hit the stage, it may not be because you're scared. It may be because something in your preparation, mindset, or purpose is broken. Today, I'm going to break down 5 reasons artists lack confidence on stage, and more importantly, how to fix them. Because confidence is not magic, confidence is earned. The first reason you lack confidence on stage is simple. Your skill set is not fully developed yet, and you know it deep down inside. You might sound good around friends and family. You might kill it when you're in the studio. You might even have people telling you, you got it. Oh, you the man. But the stage is the differentiator. The stage exposes everything. If you are a singer, your pitch, breath control, tone, stamina, and timing matter. If you're a rapper, your diction, breath control, pocket, energy, and delivery matters. If you are a musician, your timing, touch, tone, and consistency matters. Confidence gets shaky when deep down you know you have not mastered the fundamentals. Here's the fix. Treat your gift like a craft. Get instruction, get coaching, practice fundamentals. Find someone who believes in holding you accountable and not just telling you what you want to hear. You do not build stage confidence by pretending you are already ready. You build confidence by becoming ready. Confidence starts with competency. Reason number 2, you may know the songs, but that doesn't mean you're prepared to perform them. A lot of artists rehearse until they get it right a few times. That is not enough. A wise person once said, you do not rehearse until you get it right. You rehearse until you can't do it wrong. That is where real confidence comes from. Now here's the fix. Rehearse the show, not just the songs. Know where you're standing, know where you're moving, know when you're talking, know how you're opening, know how you're ending. Know what moments you want the audience to feel, and when you want them to feel it. When your show is prepared, your nerves have less room to control you. Don't rehearse songs, rehearse moments. Now, reason number 3 is my favorite. It's the imposter syndrome. This one hits almost everybody. Hits me. I don't know anyone who hasn't had this happen to them ever. Imposter syndrome is the voice that says, why me? Who do I think I am? What if they don't like me? What if I'm not good enough? That voice will shrink you before the audience ever gets a chance to judge you. Get outside yourself. You are not on stage to prove you are perfect. You're on stage to give what you're prepared for. Focus on the work. Focus on the opportunity. Focus on the people in front of you. You earn the right to be on this stage at this moment. Lift your head up, walk out there, perform. Let the cards lay where they lie. You are not there to be perfect. You are there to give. Reason number 4. How many of you know anyone that suffers from this? This one is hard, but we have to tell the truth. Some artists lack confidence because they are in love with everything around the music, but not the music itself. They love the outfits. They love taking pictures. They love the studio vibe. They love to say, I'm an artist. Yeah, I'm an artist. I'm an artist. But they do not love the grind of becoming great. That is poser syndrome. The fluff matters, image matters, branding matters, content matters, but the fluff cannot be the driver. Now here's the fix. Take self-inventory. Ask yourself, do I love performing or do I just love being seen? Do I love creating or do I just love the lifestyle? Do I think about getting better every day? Would I still do this if nobody clapped today? Real artists are bitten by the vampire. It stays with us. There's nothing that can get this out of us except for some garlic, holy water, and a steak. We're in it because this is who we are. And the last one, number 5, which is the one that I hate the most. This may be the biggest one. I believe this. I believe this. To perform is to give. If 5 people are in a room, those 5 people are giving you something valuable, their attention. In this industry, attention is gold. So when you get on stage and hold back, phone it in, act too cool, get drunk, get too high, or decide the crowd is not big enough for your best effort, that's selfish. You are taking attention without giving a performance. Now here's the fix. Before every show, ask yourself, what am I giving tonight? Energy, truth, joy, emotion, a moment they will remember. The artist who gives always has more confidence than the artist trying to be liked, because giving gives you a mission. And when you have a mission, you stop hiding. Now here's a bonus point. Nobody becomes confident by thinking about confidence. You become confident by doing the thing over and over again, and then doing it over and over again, then doing it over and over again. Small stages, big stages, empty rooms, packed rooms, good nights, rough nights. Every stage teaches you something. So stop waiting to feel confident before you perform. Perform. Perform your way into confidence. Now, what we want to make sure you also do is learn the fundamentals that we teach here at Live Edge, because performing over and over again by doing it wrong without the fundamentals will just build up a habit that will be difficult to break. Get in touch with us. We can help you evaluate your performance. We can do a live performance audit to tell you some of the things that you're doing right, some of the things you're doing wrong that will help you get better. So if you lack confidence on stage, do not just say, I need to believe in myself. Ask yourself, is my skill set strong enough? Am I truly prepared? Am I dealing with imposter syndrome? Am I chasing the image more than the art? Am I giving the audience everything I have? Because once you fix those things, confidence stops being something you fake. It becomes something you carry. If you are an artist and you want to stop just singing songs and start building real show moments, subscribe to Live Edge. Because streams start the connection, but the stage makes it real, and it always tells the truth. See you next video.